your pages just like this, and then you have this page, and then now it does open nicely. See? So that is okay. That is okay. This folds completely along the other ones. Just going to show you. See? This folds nicely. Right. But if it's flat on the table, then you don't have that much space. See? That is why you see it coming up. But it will not if we are finished. Alright, so let's make the lids. We do have plenty of leftover pieces, so just use that. So I'm first going to cut this the same size. Then we are going to make a fold line. And are we going to make this tight or also with a... This is tight. So if you have putting... And this definitely needs to also have, I think, a 1/4. Yeah, definitely. We do need that. We do need the space. Alright, so we're also going to have a 1/4. And then we have... I don't know if we're going to make that shorter. Don't want to make it too short because you definitely want to have. So this is going to be here. Yeah, this is a nice lid size. Let's use a nice round corner. All right. Last night there was an old-timer meeting in our next little village, and my hubby has a military jeep. So we went last night to that meeting, and it was, by the way, very, very good. This solid one for the back, and then the back of the pocket we can decorate. There we go. Bunch it down very well so you don't see any gaps. Cool. Yep, I like that. So now we go to the inside here and here to decorate. Okay, cool. Let's see what we have left still. What we can use. I have this left. Full one of this one. Maybe a nice plain one. Maybe these two. Or... So as you can see, plenty choices. Yep. Let's see what we're going to use. But you can if you want. But if you do, then your pocket looks smaller. That's a definition. So, but yeah. I don't. I think it looks nice already. Just without. Alright, so that is now ready. How to glue something like this. So it's actually so simple. Your tags is going to be in this pocket. So everything here needs to be clear. So what I normally like to do is on the back, put glue all the way around. Then nothing can go wrong. And then above the cutting line. So what I like to do is glue down all the way around. And then above the cutting line, and then just fill up this. That is my method. It's not a difficult method, but that is how I like to do it. Then there is nothing that can go wrong. Okay, so now I can make these cards ready because these are now a little boring. But as you can see now, no image is ruined, and I still can have a nice decoration at the bottom if I want. Maybe some, you know, maybe a nice word or a nice bee or whatever you like to put here. I don't know what you like to use. Where's the one that I just cut? Oh, here's the one I have here. Like, of course. Yeah, black is very safe. It is. Black is so safe. I did add a brown piece of paper under it, same as we did with the lovely sweetheart that we did the silver edges. Now I think I might add some brown in it, and this is actually also wrapping paper. So if you can get it, just slide a few edges. Same thing as we did with the silver. It's just with edges. You don't need to cut a full piece off. And I did that on this one. See that? It looks just that little extra, I think. I don't know. This one is without a brown one, and I'm definitely not, if I'm going to use that, I'm not going to do that on all the edges, but just once in a while on a piece. This is with the brown. So, but what do you think? Do you like the black or do you like the cream color? I can't make up my mind just yet, but somehow I do like this, the light. And imagine if you have this, the light one, and then the burlap for the spine and everything. I think that's, but yeah, this is also cool. So, oh, I wish I can combine it. but my heart says this one. So I think I will just follow that intuition, and I will go in to make another one with the cream color. And which one it is, with those who really like to know, I have my pack here. I use a DCP from Clairefontaine, 160 gram, and this color is the ivory one. Ivory, Elfenbein, ivory, ivor. This, yeah, this is the ivory color I like the most. Is it as sturdy as the normal print paper with the Clairefontaine? No, it's a little, even it is the same 160 gram. I just noticed with the Lovely Sweetheart project. And this is my first set of papers, guys. So this is just what I have left after I cut out all the cutouts. And I also have this one, of course, but this is for the green one. So I chose for this one. So it's always, what kind of page do I like? A flat page, a fat page, a storage page, a pocket page. Well, it's all kind of that you can do, and we have so many options to create a page, but I definitely want to have this in the middle, and then that I see different colors around it. So I think the best option is then to split this in this half and maybe also in this half. So I'm just going to use this piece to decide what size I want. So I'm just going to grab a piece of paper, and let's say, can I use this with, well, if I use this I don't have that much. I don't want to have it too fat, so I think I'm just going to cut it this direction. So I'm just going to use this as my guideline. Just going to place this on top, and then I'm just going to make a mark as I would normally do. And this I'm going to cut down, and I think, oh, this is far away, and I think I need this too. So I'm just going to place this on top, make a mark, and cut right away another one. Okay, that's my first step to create this direction. Cool, so this fits nicely on that page. And let's see, for the hinge you definitely need a 1/2 inch, of course. So we're first going to make a 1/2 inch, and we also can do that right away with the other one. Okay, fold it, place it down, and let's see how much that we have left. See, we do have, I totally did it correctly, I think. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Place this on the edge right here and make a mark what you have left. But yeah, how much is this? I don't know. It's a 1/4. Is that maybe too thick? Well, I think it never can be too thick. I am going to do that. I'm going to make a mark, and I'm going to score on that mark. So we have the place to do it. They only make it to the second round, but they filmed it, and I really like to see how he did that, and he did show it up a couple of times in that program. But God, it's a very hard program. Look at these two cool pockets. Yeah, love it. All right, and then when everything is open, I'm going to keep these just for extra photos. And then in here, do we need something? Oh, first this one, then this one, and this one. Do we need something at the bottom? I think we just can keep it. Well, we can if you want. If you want, you still can add a nice big pocket here. I don't think it's necessary. I think we're just going to leave it. Not sure. I'm not sure just yet. But it's time to decorate. Yay, that's the fun part. Cool. All right. Yeah, that was just a little telling that it was... so for those who did not follow the other ones, my son did apply for a TV show, and the first round he get through, and the second round he didn't, and then they are going to, well, something like military things for the two teams. They are competing to each other. This is a very hard show. You have to be very sportive. You have to have a good condition, a mental condition. But yeah, of course, there were 150 persons that applied to that show, and only 20 they need. So I am very proud that he came to the second round. But he was very disappointed in not getting into that final 20. But yeah, you can't win them all. And then he has it busy as he has a new house. In a few weeks they are going 3 weeks to Thailand for a certain sportive thing, show, trainings, camp or whatsoever. So he's busy already. So I am not disappointed that he not got through. Sometimes you can't have it all. So guys, but I'm very, very proud of him, of course. So what I think I like the yellow one to have in this corners, to bring back this yellow one. So that is maybe nice to get first, to have this full one ready. Okay, this needs to be inside the fold lines. Alright, cut this down. Don't throw anything away, just always keep all your little pieces. I'm going to smooch my edges. I'm going to try to do this not above the white papers, because when this is getting older, it always falls down a little bit and I don't want to smudge my edges. Alright, I'm going to glue this down. If this likes to open.